Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Dear children, today we are going to learn about Class 7 English Reading 1C, that is the new blue dress question and answers. Dear children, as we discussed in the lesson, at the beginning of the story, Gates Avenue was very dirty and ugly. But at the end of the story, Gates Avenue was very tidy and clean. So it is all happened with the help of new blue dress. The new blue dress which was presented by a teacher to a poor little girl. It has brought many changes the entire street. So here we can learn from this incident that a good act shall never go unrewarded. So, dear children, and also here we can understand that a small good act of a person can make others good. It can change the entire complexion of the surroundings. Here, the present story, the new blue dress, illustrate like that. Here, we would like to discuss the glossary of this lesson. The very first one is here running water, which means water coming from the main supply when taps are turned on. Pavement, it is a noun which means footpath. Excitement, it is a noun which means strong feeling. Amazed, it is an adjective. Filled with great wonder. Decent, it is an adjective which means respectable. Another one, community, it is a noun which means people living in the same locality who are considered as a unit. Organize, it is a verb which means to arrange or to make preparation. Campaigns, it is a noun which means a series of planned activities to do something or creating awareness among the people about cleanliness. Now let us switch over to question answers of this lesson. Yeah. First one, what kind of street was Gates Avenue at the beginning of the story? And what happened at the end? Answer here is Gates Avenue was a short street in Cleveland. At the beginning of the story, their houses had not been painted for many years, and they did not even have running water. The street itself was ugly too. There was no pavement. Pavement means here footpath. There was no street lights, and the railroad at the end of Gates Avenue added noise and dirt. The continuation of the first question, we will see how it is happened at the end of the story. By the end of the story, the Gates Avenue had a good pavement, street lights on the corner. The houses had running water facility. The houses were painted and the surroundings were very clean and tidy. It had become a tidy street. It is all happened with the help of the new blue dress which was presented by a teacher. It has brought innovative changes in the entire city and entire street. Now let us see second question. Why do you think the teacher gave the blue dress to the little girl? Answer. The teacher saw the little girl wearing the same dress over months. She understood that the little girl most probably had no other dress to wear. She was kind enough and sympathetic. She took pity on the little girl, so she gave her the new blue dress. So she presented the new blue dress to the little girl. Now let us switch over to third question, that is, what change did the new blue dress bring in the little girl's house? Answer. The little girl's parents decided to keep the house and the surroundings clean. The girl's mother put a cloth on the kitchen table. She washed the kitchen floor. The girl's father repaired the fence. He made a garden with the help of his family members. They started doing many innovative things. Another question, that is fourth one. How did the change in the little girl's house influence the neighbors? Answer. The neighbors observed the changes in the little girl's house for a week. They too started cleaning and painting their houses. Fifth question. Do you think the behavior of the people influence others all the time? Give examples. Answer. Yes, I think the behavior of people influence others all the time. For example, people get influenced by celebrities and get inspired by their success stories. A child get influenced by observing his parents. In the similar manner, if you observe the Gates Avenue Street, it was happened with the help of the new blue dress which was presented by the teacher. I hope you understood all the questions which are given in the chapter, that is the new blue dress. Dear children, once again you need to go through the entire video and try to understand the question answers and glossary. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates. Thank you. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay secure, stay healthy.